Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I have a lovely fan here who's going to do my makeup. Guys, meet Dylan Ponsavadi. So I actually found him on Instagram. I'll leave the Instagram up here so you guys can check it out. You do amazing makeup, Dylan.
Thank you.
And you live right near my mum's house. So I was stalking you, and it's so funny. So we got in contact through Instagram, and I thought hey Dylan, I reached out, I was hey Dylan, do you want to do my makeup for a video? And he said yes, and we're here today.
It was so exciting, the news. I was just, oh.
Shall we get started, and then maybe we can chit chat and get to know each other a little bit better? I've been saving my questions so then we can get it on camera, because I'm dying to know a lot of things. Okay, so what are we going to start off with?
So we're going to start off with the eyebrows first.
The eyebrows first?
Yeah, I like to do the brows, and then the base, and then the eyeshadow.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to do that. So how long have you been a makeup artist for?
Oh, not long. I'd say 3 years, 4.
Oh my gosh, and you're so good, so talented.
I did it right after high school, that's why. Yeah.
And did you do a course, or are you more self-taught?
I was self-taught in the first year, and then kind of the second and third year, I went to a college for it. And just grabbing a spoolie, I'm just gonna brush her brows out. And then just flicking hair-like strokes into her brow.
So what brow pomade are you using?
I'm using the Kat Von D one.
Ah, Kat Von D.
It's the super brow, yeah.
Okay.
I like how it wears. Okay, I'm just building the body of the brow now. Just working on the tail.
So now you work at Inglot.
Yeah.
And I was asking you before, how come you chose Inglot over Mac? Because I feel once you finish your studies, or when you kind of start becoming a makeup artist, I feel everyone just strives to work at Mac, right?
Yeah.
And they didn't accept you.
Yeah, so I applied for Mac, and they never got back to me ever. So yeah.
So you're at Inglot now.
I'm at Inglot, yeah. But
you love it.
I love Inglot, yeah. So everything happens for a reason, I think. At the front of the brow, I'm just gonna flick up, kind of mimicking hair-like strokes.
And as you guys can see, Dylan has amazing nails. I don't think you guys are even concentrating on my brows because you're so distracted by his nails. I'm amazed that you can do makeup so well with these claws.
Yeah, I get used to them.
You probably feel naked if you don't have
them. My God, my fingers feel stubby and short if I don't have nails on or anything. So that's kind of filled in. It's not too clean, but we will clean it up with a bit of concealer as well.
What's your favorite part of the face when doing makeup?
Concealer.
Concealer?
I love concealing the under eyes. It's so satisfying.
Oh wow. Usually I always hear people say brows or eyes, or I love contouring. But yeah, you're the first with concealing under the eyes.
I love concealer. Okay, cool. I want to keep them slightly bushy and not too defined. I'm going to define it with the concealer anyways.
And which one are you using now?
I'm using the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. This is the one with 15 mils in it. It's so much concealer. Now we're gonna prime her skin. I'm gonna go in with the Tony Moly Face Mix Oil Paper Primer and kind of just work that into the T-zone.
So nowadays, do you still freelance?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah, not a lot.
And where do you get most of your inspiration from?
I'd say Jar. Makeup with Jar.
Makeup with Jar.
Yeah, she used to work for Inglot. So I think I kind of looked up to her a lot when she was working at Inglot, and now she's super big and everything on Instagram. Now we're gonna move on to the foundation.
So you're using Studio Fix and
I'm
OG.
using Studio Fix NC20. I'm also gonna mix in Born This Way foundation in the shade Almond. I'm just gonna work the foundation into her skin with a Real Techniques sponge.
I'm really excited to see myself in full glam. I feel I don't know, I think as I get older, I feel I put less makeup on and I gravitate towards more of a natural look.
Yeah.
And then you get comfortable doing that same look or that same sort of style.
Yeah.
So I'm really excited to see myself in a different sort of look. Did you always know that you wanted to do makeup right after school?
Not really. I wanted to be a dancer.
You wanted to be a dancer?
Yeah, because I did like jazz ballet and all that.
Wow.
And I don't know, I got bored of it. Like I thought that was going to be like my career.
Yeah. And so like makeup was just like a hobby kind of thing?
Yeah, especially because I was a dancer. I would see all like the backstage and stuff with all the makeup. It kind of like inspired me in a way.
And your parents were full supportive of you doing makeup? as a
Yeah.
career? Oh, that's really good.
It's a bonus for mum, you know?
Yeah, she's like, yeah, free makeup. I'm set for life. Are we doing under eyes now?
Yes.
Your favourite?
Yeah, my favourite. Okay, I'm gonna lightly set her under eyes.
I love this one, the Cover
It's
Fix.
the Cover Fix one. Okay, not using too much. I like to set the under eyes last, just because I'm gonna blend out any creasing. And now I'm gonna go in with a bit of face powder as well. I'm gonna mix 2 shades.
And these are from England?
Yes, so these are our Freedom Pressed powders. I'm gonna use these 2. That one's slightly lighter and this one's slightly darker. I'm gonna use it like kind of as a transition bronzer, and then I'm gonna go with the bronzer after.
Now, how old are you, Dylan?
I'm 20 years old.
20.
Yeah.
Dylan is a baby. I wish I was 20 again. And you're so talented.
Thank you, so sweet.
Imagine when you're my age, you'll probably be doing Kim Kardashian's.
Oh, I wish.
Maybe her kids by then.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with the darker powder now. And I'm kind of just gonna work that on the outer perimeters of her face. This is just gonna help me like determine where I wanna place my bronzer and my contouring as well, so I don't go too heavy with that.
I like how you're building it up slowly.
Yeah, and that's kind of like the darker powder on. And then I'm gonna bronze as well. Just now targeting specific areas. This bronzer has like a slight sheen, so it's gonna kind of give that like nice glow to your skin as well.
How long does it normally take you to do your makeup?
I like to take my time. So like an hour and a half to maybe 2 hours, just depending on what type of look I want to do.
And for clients?
For clients, I have to keep it like strictly to an hour. Yeah. Okay, that's bronzer done. So we're gonna move on to the eyes now. I'm gonna use this.
So this, I need to get my hands on this.
It's amazing. This stuff is so good.
So what is it? It's called the
P. Louise base.
eye base. So apparently you pop it on, but you don't set it.
Yeah, you don't set it.
And when you apply your eyeshadows on top, it kind of like amplifies the color.
It's like real vibrant.
I'm so excited for the eye bit.
Thanks. Okay, now I'm gonna start off with the shadows.
What are we gonna use?
I'm gonna start off with 290 from Ingla. It's just a single shadow. And that's the first color on. I am gonna do the lower lash line after as well. Now I'm just gonna work on the other side.
Can I just say this feels so relaxing getting my makeup done.
Really?
I feel like I need to invite more people to do my makeup. It's so good.
And now we're gonna go in with a shade from the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette. I'm gonna use that one just to kind of blend above.
I can't wait to see my makeup at the end. I'm gonna like save it for the big reveal.
Now going in with Inglot Single Shadow in 297. This is just like a dark plummy shade. Just like that. I'm just gonna deepen kind of below the last shade that we just used. gonna go back in with the first shade and then just slightly blend a bit higher. The higher the better when doing a cut crease, because it's really just gonna show. Okay, going with like a dark, it's like a purple cool tone brown. This is 302. It's another Inglot single eyeshadow. Taking that on like more of a skinnier brush. Just gonna work it below the other shade. Okay, and open. I kind of just want to see how it's looking. Now going with a bit of black, the Noir from the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia, and just only on the outside corners. I want to be really careful with this color because it is, like, if it falls on her cheek, it's gonna like stuff up the whole look. And it does look a bit crazy now, but we will kind of do the lower lash line and it will kind of all tie in. Let's just look up for me. I'm just gonna clean up any fallout again. It doesn't really matter if you get like a lot of shadow here because I'm just gonna use that like eyeshadow there as well to make out the lower lash line.
You're gonna cover it up anyway?
Yeah. I'm gonna use the same eyeshadow base, the P. Louise one, just to carve out the crease.
Ah.
I'm gonna go slightly higher and open again and close. I just wanna map it out first and then I'll go again and like carve it out. Once that's done, I'm gonna grab the pigment. It's Inglot 111 pigment, it's so pretty. Okay, so that cut crease, I've taken it like real round and high as well. I'm gonna go in with a bit of gel liner now. It's just the Inglot 77 gel liner. I'm kind of gonna create it like high up like that, and then bring it down to her eyelid, to the inner corner, sorry. Okay, let's do lashes now.
Oh, lashes. So we're gonna use Fierce from my brand Petite Cosmetics, of course. So these are more of like a cat eye sort of like lash, and these one a little bit longer and they've got a black band so that can kind of just sit over the liner.
Yeah, perfect.
We both have our little fans here.
Her one's like
yours a little pump.
Battery, mine's like actual manual. Like. That should be a bit tacky now. So I just get her to look down and then close for me. So finish off the lower lash line now. Going with 290 again. I'm gonna work this into like a little rectangle brush. It's kind of like a mini kabuki, I don't know.
It's like a little chubby brush.
Okay, I'm just gonna go back in with the Huda Beauty shadow.
I can feel like you're pulling it down pretty low.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm like, oh, I haven't seen my makeup yet, so I'm like, well, look at you doing. It's so interesting seeing how other artists do makeup, especially on myself as well, so that would be like really cool. I feel like I'm learning lots of tips.
Okay, I'm just going in with that plummy shade. Just gonna go tighter to the lash line.
Dylan, I feel like you need to start doing videos because you explain things so well. Don't you guys agree? I was asking him before, have you done any videos? And he was like, no. So this is his debut on YouTube.
That's so funny.
You definitely need to
Yeah, I want to start getting into it.
It'll be so cool.
I'm so anxious. So now I'm going to add 114 pigment from Inglot.
Can't wait to see what I look like. I've been like really tempted to grab a palette and just use the mirror to look at myself, but I haven't, right? It's going to be a big reveal.
I think I left my highlighting palette in there. I'm just going to quickly come back.
I'm so tempted to look.
So I'm just going to use the Sugar Glow Kit by Anastasia to highlight. I'm going to use Gumdrop. Okay, we're going to add a bit of blush now. I'm going to use this little Tarte one I got. So pretty. I'll do like a nudie, like a nude lip with a bit of gloss. Awesome, I think we're done.
We are done, guys. Oh.
Yeah. Okay, wait.
Okay, I need
a mirror.
Yeah, can I use one of your palettes?
Yeah, you can use this one. I don't know if that's, Okay.
I'm really nervous, but I'm really excited too. OMG. These eyes are crazy. Dude.
Do you
I
like
feel
it?
like the
Okay.
contacts and the
Yeah.
colours. Whoa.
I love it.
I love that. And I never do a cut crease
Yeah.
because I just feel like, what am I doing? I don't even know what I'm doing with cut creases, but this looks amazing. Are you happy with this?
I am. I'm very happy
What do you guys
with it.
think? Let me know below. Also, you have to show Dylan some love on his Insta. And also, he needs to start doing videos.
Yes, I need to. Yeah, today was so much fun.
Yeah, see, it's not that scary.
Yeah.
It's not that
Yeah.
scary. I feel like once you're in the zone and you're really good at explaining things,
Yeah.
so you'll be perfect for teaching people.
Thank you.
Well, that is it to this video. Thank you so much for doing my makeup today.
Thank you for having me.
I hope you guys have enjoyed it and you like my look. I feel like I'm gonna go eat McDonald's, like in full glam like this. I don't care if people
Yeah,
take
who
photos.
cares?
I feel like I
Yeah.
look really good. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.